Hey there, I just purchased my mattress. I just wanted to give you a quick review of what it looks like, the quality of it. I just got it out of the box, so this is how it comes in the box. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, it's been about a day and it's already fully expanded. I love that the thickness of the mattress. It's super soft. I think my granddaughter's going to love this mattress. It's going to be really nice and comfortable. I love the breathing material that's underneath. And if you notice this zipper that's right here, if she has a little accident at night, I can just take the cover off and I can just throw it in the washing machine. It's going to be good as new. So I really love that. Let me go ahead and put this in the crib. It is a full-size crib mattress and it fits great. I love it. I couldn't have asked for a better mattress. I think it's going to work out perfectly, and I hope you found this helpful.